rotating, and just keep 45 degrees or 90 degrees, whatever you feel. Okay, give this one 90 degrees, and that becomes a standard ventilation louver. Okay, this is also louver. Alright. So now select the cut feature, because when we want to place, it should automatically cut in any thickness. Right? So select that. Okay, one more time. Manage, extract eye feature. I want the cut feature also to be included inside the sketching plane. It asks me select the sketching plane, standard eye feature. So it is taking cut feature and also the revolve feature to be taken part in as a standard eye feature. So save. I want to save that inside my workshop folder. Okay, that is my workshop folder is inside here. I would say that as workshop day 23. Okay, just for my reference.